who's back again.
Workouts at home.
Workouts at home. I'm Justin. This is Sarah. I don't think we introduce ourselves enough.
No.
We don't ever really tell you who we are. I'm Justin. This is Sarah. We have a vlog channel if you want to get to know us. It's called Goodnight Walkers. It's also on YouTube. But here we do nothing but work out at home. Period. That's all we do. If you want to work out at home, come join us. Today is 10-minute abs
With a twist.
What's the twist?
You have to have a weight.
Get you a weight. You could use anything that has weight. A log, a book,
Can you tell we had a fire earlier?
a can of soup,
A bottled water.
a bottle of water, something that's got weight. We're going to use 10-pound weights for us. We've got, what do we got, 4 exercises? So, well, 5 technically because one's per side. So we're going to do Russian twist. If you don't know how to do it, follow along. That's the whole point. Go put your workout clothes on. Okay, this is going to be Russian twist with a weight. Then we're going to do crunches, 10-pound weight. We're going to do 20 crunches. Then we're going to do hip dips. You want to show them hip dip real quick, I guess? Since we already showed them Russian twist. Hip dip, it's like a side plank. You're going to dip.
Weight right here.
Yep, and you're going to dip down and come back up. That's your hip dips. And then lastly, we're going to hold a plank for 1 minute.
And you're going to hold your weight between your hands, and you're going to go down on your elbows like this.
We're going to do this as many times as we can in 10 minutes, over and over again. All right, so once I start the timer, we don't stop. I'm scooting you down so you can see us all the way. How about right about there?
I think that should be good.
Okay, here we go. How do you know I'm doing 10 minutes? Well, because Google doesn't lie. Okay, Google.
Oh, better get ready.
She didn't work. Set timer for 10 minutes.
Sure, 10 minutes, and we're starting now.
All right, grab your weight.
Ugh.
And,
I guess get away from me a little bit.
oh, yep, sorry.
That's okay. There we go. Here we go. Feet up, and that's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4.
If this is
5,
too hard for you
5,
and you still want to
6,
use the weight,
6,
plant
7,
your feet on the
7,
ground like this.
8, 9, 9.
And if it's still
10,
too hard, you can
10,
lower your weight.
11, 12, 13.
Make sure you don't
13,
hold your breath.
14,
I catch myself
15,
doing that sometimes
15,
when it gets really
16,
hard.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. On your back, crunches. There is no waiting around here. Hold your weight on your chest. Sit up, push your chest towards the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not a full-on sit-up. 7, 8, 9, 10. You push your chest up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I'm beginning to regret this 10-pound weight.
Yep. She's the one who had that in for 10 pounds. Hip dips, get on an elbow all the way to one side. If you cannot go up like this, put a leg down, okay? I'm going to move you just a little bit so that you can see Sarah. There we go. I'm going to come over here. Just a smidge. All right. Weight on your hip. Up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There goes the love handle on one side. Roll it over.
Man.
Do it again. Hurting?
Yeah.
Good.
I couldn't even get 20.
Supposed to hurt. Up we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Love handle went away on the other side. You see how magical that was? Up for a plank. Toes on the ground, elbows on the ground. Put your weight in front of you and just pinch it between your hands. Up.
You counting?
And we go.
He's keeping an eye on a clock. We've got a clock with a second hand just across the basement that we can see very easily from here.
Woo!
Oh. All right, if you are on your toes and your elbows, you are doing great. Try to lean forward just a little bit. If this gets really hard and you got to rest a little, put a knee down for just a second, but then come back up. Try not to stay down for long. And try to keep your back straight.
You're about halfway there.
What? Oh, I had to stick my bottom up to get a little bit of a break. Oh my goodness.
Suck your belly button into your spine. When we say tighten up, that's how you do it. Suck your belly button in. That's what's going to hold those muscles up in place. You got 10 seconds.
Ooh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whew. That's
Wow.
killer.
All right.
How much time do we have left?
I don't know. It doesn't matter. We got to do it again. Russian twist going for 20. Feet up if you can. That's the name of the game. Add a weight. Feet up. And here we go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Whoa. Gosh.
I'm dying.
That hurts.
10 was too much.
It's okay. It's supposed to hurt, guys.
All right.
That's the point. Grab your weight on
I'm
your
going to
back.
put mine behind my head. On my neck.
Here we go. And
Sit
chest
on
up.
this.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Kind of gives my
5,
head something to lay
6,
on
7,
while still
8,
adding that weight.
9, 10,
Get your
11,
shoulder blades up off the
12,
floor.
13,
I should
14,
probably be going up
15,
higher.
16,
Weight is killing
17,
me.
18, 19, 20.
All right.
Yeah. Hip dips. Back to it.
Okay.
Nothing to
When
it
I
but to
signed
do
up
it.
for this, I had never done hip
Dips with weight.
Whew, this time we'll start on your left side. If the timer goes off, we're finishing hip dips. Here we go.
That way we're even.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right,
Oh.
I dropped the weight after 10.
Ah,
I did 10 with the weight and 10 without. I'm going to do the same thing on this side.
you know what sweat is? Sweat is your fat crying. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bye bye love handles. 11, 12, 13, 14,
Oh, man.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! 1 minute plank.
Kudos
And we're
to
going.
you if you
5
catch the
seconds.
weight.
3,
Hold on.
2, 1, and go.
If you didn't drop the weight that entire time, good job.
Ugh.
I encourage you to try to do plank the whole minute. It's just body weight. What? Just body weight? Have you ever done plank for a minute? Whoever said just body weight?
Just stay here.
Oh,
Don't you move.
oh.
You're 20 seconds in. You got 40 seconds
That's
to go.
it, just 20 seconds. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Breathe hard, let it shake. Let your belly shake. That's good. They used to put people on machines to make their belly shake.
I don't think it actually worked.
It doesn't matter. It's working now. Let it shake. Let it burn. It's supposed to burn. Burning works. You're 15 seconds away. 15 seconds away from victory. Oh, it burns. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ow. That hurts. Guess what? Russian twist. We didn't finish it up yet. Google hasn't said 10 minutes.
Are you sure she's working?
She's working. I'm not even gonna look. That's just cheating. Trust it. You guys gotta trust us. I guess you could look at the ticker on the bottom. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20 vision.
Guys, this is real. I'm for real struggling here.
You want me to look and see how much time we have left?
Like
Do you want me to look?
No,
I'm not going to. Lay down on your back. Here we go.
we got crunches.
Crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ah, hip dips. Woo! You know what happens if we start hip dips? If we get even
stop.
one, we don't stop. Ah, come on, timer.
Right side first or left
Right side first. Here we go. Oh, up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I did 15 with the weight that time. It's
Oh.
better than last time.
Good for you. Up we go. Onto your side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Whew. Okay. I'm cheating. Oh, 10 seconds. Plank.
It's
Plank.
been over. The red means it's over.
No. That's
No.
Google, honey. Up you go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3. I dare you to stay. I dare you not to move. I dare you to keep going. Keep going.
You
See
get
if
off
you
a
got it in
minute?
you. See if you got it in you. Huh? How much you got? How much you got? I'm not going until you do. I'm not dropping until you drop.
Okay.
Oh, she dropped. Okay.
Oh, my chest muscles are giving out.
Woo.
Holding that plank was killer.
Ow. All right, I said ow because literally that hurts. You want to get rid of your love handles?
You gotta
Come
work
do-
them.
Come do workouts at home with us. We'll get you a 6-pack.
Yep.
Okay. If you like to work out and you want to work out at home, we got kids. They're upstairs in bed right now. It's 9:40 at night, 9:15 at night. We're looking at the clock backwards. 9:15 at night, we're down here working out. You know why? Because we work out at home. You want to do that? Subscribe to the channel. Come work out with us. That's all we're doing here is working out at home. We're putting together workouts that you can do in your home. So, oh yeah.
Stretch out. Child's pose is great.
Don't forget, leave us a comment. We want to hear. Are you losing weight? You exercising? You're on a diet program? You going to a gym? We want to hear about it. Leave it in the comments. We want to hear from you. We got to go.